Hey buddy, welcome to wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior angle is 30 degree. So the formula which we are going to use is number of sides of sides equals 360 degrees upon exterior angle. Now the exterior angle in this question is given as 30 degrees. Therefore, number of sides of the regular polygon, number of sides will be equals 360 degrees upon 30 degree. So 0 and 0 will cancel out each other and we will have 12. Therefore, number of sides of regular polygon when each exterior angle is equals 30 degree will be equals 12. So this will be our final required answer. That's it. Thank you and have a great day.